And welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to use Rebtel on iPhone in any country. This Rebtel lets you make cheap international calls from your iPhone, whether you're in Nigeria, the US, Europe, or anywhere else. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Step 1 is to download and install Rebtel. Open the App Store on your iPhone, search for Rebtel and download the app. Then you have to install and open the app. And once it's opened, you have to sign up and verify your number. So tap sign up and enter your phone number. You have to enter your phone number, local number in your current country, and then email. This is optional but recommended. Once you're done, you have to verify via SMS code. The SMS code will be sent to you and you to input it or copy and paste it. Now, sometimes this SMS verification fails. If it fails, try a different SIM or Wi-Fi. Next step you're going to take is, like I said, change your SIM or Wi-Fi because the carrier supports. Check your carrier supports SMS verification. Some VoIP numbers do not work. So you can also try another phone number, maybe a friend's number to receive the code. And once you've gotten the code, you can add credits. Now you can add credit by using the pay-as-you-go or subscription method. Rebtel requires credit to make calls. So to add credits, you tap on balance in the app, then tap on add credits. You can also use the web version. Tap on rebtel.com, you see the option, then tap on the three lines at the top left corner, then you see the option for join, and you can even see the option for make a call. You can tap on make a call. Then whichever method you choose, even from the home page, you will see the option for make a call. So you can now decide to, when you tap to make a call, take you to this part of adding credit. So this is very important to add credit. So let's go back. Then when you tap on balance, you tap on add credit. Next thing you're going to choose a payment method, which is like credit or debit card, as is Visa, MasterCard, or Amex, or you can choose PayPal, which is best if your card fails, or you can use Apple Pay if it's available in your country. Enter the amount and confirm. If your card fails, try PayPal or virtual dollar card like Wise, Revolut, or cheaper cash. Now this next step is to make a call. There are two ways to do this. You can use international call method using your data and Wi-Fi. Open Rebtel and tap on call. Enter the phone international number, for example, +1 for USA and +44 for UK. Then you press the call button, Rebtel connects via the internet. The second option is to use local access number. Here no internet is needed. Some countries allow local numbers to connect calls cheaply. Search for the contact in Rebtel. If available, Rebtel will show a local number to dial. Call it from your iPhone. It forwards internationally at low rates. Note that this depends on your country, so check the app for availability. Now here are some troubleshooting fix for common issues. The first is verification failed error. If you get this error a lot, try a different SIM card. Some carriers block verification SMS. They can also use Wi-Fi and mobile data for better SMS delivery. Then, if your calls keep dropping, you can use 4G or 5G or strong Wi-Fi. Disable VPN because it actually interferes with calls. Then, if payment is not working, try PayPal or Apple Pay. Or you can also use a virtual international card like Wise, Revolut, or Payoneer. Now, here are some pro tips for best experience. Use a headphone for better call quality. Check Rebtel's rates before calling. Some countries are cheaper than others. And if it doesn't work, try alternative like Twoguysfinance, Skype, or Google Voice. So yes, you can use Rebtel on iPhone in any country, but downloading the app, signing up and verifying, adding credits, and calling internationally. Hope you found this video helpful.